In most cases, installing wheel spacers won't void the car warranty, as long as they fit properly and are correctly torqued. These wheel spacers won't damage your cars. Different brands may have different regulations, so it is recommended to check carefully before installing. As manufacturing technology improves, wheel spacers are getting more durable and tough. As long as you install correctly, brand hub-centric spacers will have a negligible effect on the suspension part. In other words, even when long-term use, your car warranty is not affected by wheel spacers. Even some famous aftermarket wheels manufacturers offer wheel spacers to fit their wheels. For decades, wheel spacers have been used widely on many vehicles with no problems. Just get the top quality wheel spacers, and you can make the car perform better and look more stylish. Brand spacer manufacturers spend much time, money, and resources to optimize the spacer design. Get genuine wheel spacers and have them installed by professionals. Then there is nothing to worry about, since a spacer is a connecting part that holds a vehicle hub and wheel together. Precise wheel spacers are the best option. BONOSS Volkswagen wheel spacers are generally produced by 0.02mm CNC machining, which ensures a smooth surface and stable construction. In other words, the higher the precision, the better the performance. Made of advanced machining and undergone a series of safety tests. They are approved by SGS and TÜV. These SGS TÜV certified tire spacers are completely safe to use. BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric middle ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, the benefit of the plus design of BONOSS Volkswagen lightweight plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous general product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice. Additionally, BONOSS wheel spacers offer a 10-year warranty. Within the warranty period, BONOSS will offer a full refund for the defective item. Therefore, if you're into to buy good spacers, the BONOSS Volkswagen FT cooling wheel spacers will be a perfect option. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.